I easily installed the Arenti GO1 at my front door and elevated my family's security to the next level with solar panel support. I enjoy 24/7 energy, ensuring a wireless and uninterrupted monitoring experience. Thanks to its app, I can capture images and videos. Accessing motion records from previous dates is incredibly convenient. When it detects motion, I receive alerts for boxes, people, or vehicles, allowing me to monitor every moment. Its high resolution lets me capture every detail with clarity, even at night. I don't have to worry. The full-color night vision illuminates dark moments. The Arenti GO1 keeps my home and family safe, giving me peace of mind.